Hello guys, welcome to my fourth video of DBMS tutorial series. In this video I'm going to take you through the fourth question set. So as you can see here, we have four instructions in this question set. Now let's read the paragraph to get an idea about the task that we're gonna do. You have given the institute to develop the school system of Kagalu Mahavidyalaya. Your part in this software is to create a database. With this software you can easily manage all the student information, all teacher information, class schedules, etc. Now let's follow the first instruction. It tells us to use Kagalu Vidyalaya DB as the name of the database. Draw an ER diagram for it. Okay, now in the previous video I have taught you the way to create the ER diagram. Now let's use the same steps here. Go to File, click on New Model, then you'll get a new tab with the content like this, and just click on this big tab. Then at the bottom of your window you get a new tab with a content like this. Just type the name of the database in the name field, which is in this case Kagalu Vidyalaya DB. Okay, right, now let's close this tab. We don't need that. Now we need to double click on this add diagram item to open the ER diagram drawing surface. Okay, now let's jump into the second instruction. Create a table to store student information and their guardian information. Follow the instructions below when creating this table. Okay, now we have two tables to create according to the second instruction. The first table is student and the second table is guardian. This two tables contains data that we need to use to create our student table and guardian table. If you don't know what those data is, please go and watch my first video of this playlist, and then you'll understand what these data are. Okay, now let's create the tables. I'm going to create those two tables, and I double click on table 1 node. Then I change the table name to student. I chose the student table as the first table. As you like. If you like, you can choose guardian as the first table. So I chose the student, and I'm going to add the columns, and this column's data type is going to be water, and the second column is first name, and third column is last name, and after that we have gender, and after that we have contact number, after that we have address. Okay, now we have filled our first table with information, and now let's create the guardian table. Now you know how to add this data if you have watched my previous videos, and if you don't know, please go back and watch those videos and come back to this video. And now I'm going to pause the video from here, and you need to check the guardian table data and add those data into this table by using this ER diagram drawing surface. Now I'm gonna pause it, so pause the video and check the guardian table and add those data. After that, come back to the video. Okay, now I have added the guardian table information. Now let's move to the third instruction. Name the relationship between the two tables, the student and guardian, that you set up above. Mark it in the ER diagram you created. Now this is the time to create the relationship between two tables. So let's consider a hostel, for example. So a hostel can include many students, and there is one guardian for one hostel, like the principal of the school. So there is one guardian for one hostel, but there are many students in one hostel, so one guardian owns many students. One guardian owns one hostel, that means one guardian owns many students, because students are looked after by this guardian. So guardian has many students, and one student in one hostel also have one guardian. So guardian is one, student is many, because one student has one guardian and one guardian has many students. So let's create the one to many relationship by using this tool. Click on this and click on the many table first. One guardian has many students, so student is many and guardian is one. Okay, now we have created the relationship between those two tables. Relationship is one-to-many relationship, and we have created that. Also, now let's move to the fourth instruction. It tells this: a teacher teaches several subjects, and one subject teaches several teachers. Create a teacher and subject table using the appropriate relationship. Follow the instructions below to create this table. Create an ER diagram. Okay, let's use this ER diagram drawer for this task. And now we need to create the teacher table and the subject table. Now we need to also create the relationship between the teacher table and subject table. First, let's add those two tables, and then let's see what will be the relationship and how to create it. Okay, now pause the video and look at these two tables in the question set, and after you add those data into the two tables, come back to the video and let's continue about creating the relationship. Okay, now I have created the teacher table and the subject table. Now let's discuss about the relationship. Now let's closely look at the instruction. The relationship tells in this first sentence: a teacher teaches many subjects. That means teacher teaches many subjects, so the subject is many, and one subject teaches many teachers, so one subject teaches many teachers. That means these two tables has many to many relationship. One teacher teaches many subjects, and also many teachers teach one subject. Again, look at it. One teacher teaches many subjects. Many teachers can teach one subject. So those both sides are many. So this has a many to many relationship. Now let's create that. Click on this item and click one of these tables, because those two tables are in many side, so we don't have to worry about choosing a table. We can choose any table. I click on teacher table first and then click on subject table. Okay, now that's all. We have created a many to many relationship. Okay, now as I think we have reached the end of the question set. Yes. Okay guys, this is all for this video, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you like this video, give a like to this video and share this video to others to learn this stuff. And if you want to learn more about database management systems and other things about technology, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.